Hey everybody, it is day 4 of our Christmas in July, and today we'll be decorating this vintage Christmas card with our prompt gingerbread. Now, gingerbreads can be any type of image. It doesn't necessarily have to be a gingerbread boy. It could be a gingerbread house, it could be a gingerbread cookie, it could be a gingerbread angel. As you can see here, I have these cute little stickers, and I do have a couple of sets left in my shop, and I'm going to be using one of these stickers for my focal point. The background that I'm actually adding to this card is from my digital kits, and I'll see if I can link it for you, but it is perfect for the background for this card. Now, as you can see, I did trim the corners a little bit because I want to make sure I can still see that number 4 prompt on the back of the card, because like I said, I want to make sure that we know that these are playing cards. So it's important to me when I'm decorating these to be able to show the number or the letter part of the card. So this image is a perfect background, and as you can see, there's not going to be very many ephemera pieces I'm going to have to use for this because that really does cover most of the card. But once I stuck down that background piece, I went ahead and I added some glue to my gingerbread boy. Now, this is actually a sticker, but I went ahead and trimmed off the white part because I didn't necessarily want to have the white part, and I added glue rather than the sticker. And the reason for that is I wanted it to be a little bit more substantial with the background. Plus, I wanted it to be able to move. If I used the sticker part, then if I stuck it down and I had it in the wrong place, then I would be stuck. At least if I used the glue, my 3-in-1 beacon glue, I would have some movement space. So once I got my gingerbread down, I added that 2 for 15 cents sticker, and that is a sticker from one of my digital kits. And then I had this little tag that I was playing with, but I decided I didn't want to cover that gingerbread too much. So I ended up going to this sticker sheet, and as you can see, this is a very used sticker sheet. I don't have very many images left, but I did have a couple of stars that I decided to go ahead and pull off of that sheet and add to the background. And so as you can see, the prompts today, gingerbread, was very easy because I only added a few extra pieces. So not every vintage card has to be extravagant. I hope you liked today's prompt, gingerbread, and I am looking forward to seeing all of your cards as well. Hope to see you tomorrow for our day 5 prompt.